As you manage your organization's backup strategy in Azure, it's important to understand the types of backups Azure Backup supports and how these align with the workloads you protect. Azure Backup is a powerful platform that supports everything from VM snapshots to transaction log backups, offering flexibility, scalability, and security. When you're working with Azure Backup, you'll find that it supports a variety of backup types designed to match your data protection needs and operational flexibility. The foundation always begins with a full backup, which captures everything: your files, system state, or entire database content. This initial backup serves as the base for all future backups and is typically performed once daily, especially for workloads like SQL Server. From there, incremental backups take over. These backups only capture the changed blocks of data since the previous backup, which significantly reduces storage consumption and speeds up the backup process. You'll see this in action across workloads like Azure VMs, SQL, DPM, and MABS. When it comes to SQL Server in Azure VMs, Azure Backup offers fine-grained options. You can schedule a full backup daily or weekly, which includes enough log data to recover your entire database. A differential backup captures only the changes since the last full backup and can be scheduled daily, but not on the same day as a full backup. For more advanced needs, transaction log backups can be configured as often as every 15 minutes, enabling point-in-time recovery. If your workloads demand frequent recovery points, you can even configure multiple backups per day. Enhanced backup policies let you define hourly backups with recovery point objectives as low as 4 hours, ideal for critical systems needing rapid recovery flexibility. You also have the power to selectively backup individual VM disks. This means you can choose to backup only the OS disk or critical data disk instead of the entire VM, helping you save on storage and simplify restores. This is also managed through enhanced backup policies and gives you the option to restore just what you need. Under the hood, Azure Backup functions through multiple architectural layers. The workload integration layer uses backup extensions installed on the source VM or service, triggering either snapshot-based or stream-based backups depending on the workload, such as SQL or HANA. Your backup data flows into Azure Backup's data plane, where it's stored across different access tiers. In the snapshot tier, data is stored locally for quick restore, ideal for short-term retention. Then there's the Vault Standard tier, managed by Azure to maintain an isolated and resilient copy of your backups. Finally, for long-term retention, the Archive tier stores infrequently accessed backups, helping you meet compliance goals at a lower cost. Each of these tiers comes with different pricing and recovery time objectives, giving you flexibility based on your business requirements. To keep your backup data safe and highly available, Azure Backup replicates your data across zones or regions using storage redundancy options like LRS, GRS, or ZRS. Your data is encrypted in transit and at rest and protected using Azure role-based access control. Even if someone tries to delete your backup, the soft delete feature gives you 14 days to recover it at no additional cost. All of this is managed through the management plane, where you interact with recovery services vaults or backup vaults to configure policies, define schedules, and manage retention. And for complete visibility across your backup estate, the Backup Center provides a centralized dashboard to monitor jobs, track performance, and manage backups across subscriptions, vaults, and even tenants through Azure Lighthouse. With all these layers working together, Azure Backup offers you a reliable, secure, and highly flexible solution to protect and manage your critical data. So, what's your key takeaway? Azure Backup offers flexible and efficient protection through full, incremental, and advanced SQL backup types, supports hourly and selective disk backups, and stores data across snapshot, vault, and archive tiers, all managed securely through Backup Center with built in encryption, RBAC, and soft delete for resilient, scalable data protection.